Syllabus. Based on what this author has legally researched pursuant to international law and by subtle statements made by the courts, the Congress of the United States does, without question, follow the law. Such notwithstanding, the whole matter that has been exposed herein is a stealthy scam fueled by planned and orchestrated ignorance. And in essence, the infamous 14th Amendment has stealthily stolen Americans' natural sovereignty, land, nationality, and rights to a lawful citizenship under the law of nations. Americans have unwittingly given their allegiance to the United States and its political subdivisions, the de facto, unlawful states, over their rightful states. They have breached their political allegiance to their countries and de jure state governments. Of course, the government representatives, so-called, will attempt to tell you that everyone has dual nationality, ipso facto. But this does not legally work. Why? Because you cannot go back into a nation from which you came. This is a fact which is grounded in common sense. If they try to tell you there is dual nationality, such can be proven wrong with their own statutes. The proof is exemplified in Title 8 under pertinent sections. You must take the appropriate legal measures to emancipate yourself of this feudal situation, or you will remain a subject of / to Washington, D.C. under private, special, and positive law of the federal nation. Hence, be subject to its Marxism. Yargio. That is when income tax becomes voluntary, but not in any other manner. Now you know the whole story. Federal emancipation is how you totally discharge the tax liability pursuant to international law and the Constitution. Moreover, you will then live in your state as a state national and are not a resident, presumed to be operating as a fiction that has been created by government who is subject to special taxation. And finally, back in reference to the panel consisting of the income tax gurus, Bill Conklin, Devi Kidd, and Larry B. Kraft, and also Bill Benson and Joe Bannister. I hope they realize that the real legal story is much deeper than maybe they comprehend. The whole income tax scheme was orchestrated through the guise of the 14th Amendment. Oh, one more thing before closing. Of course, you have been told the main purpose of the 14th Amendment was to give the slaves their civil rights. If you believe that, I have a bridge to sell you.